Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is one of my favorite dim sum. The ways of cooking it I learned during my stay in Singapore with some touch of Filipino cuisine. This is how to make this yummy delicious siomai. Please continue watching and I will show you how to make this delicious siomai. Let's prepare first the vegetables by soaking the shiitake mushroom for 30 minutes in a warm water. Then chop the following vegetables: the prepared shiitake mushroom, the onion leeks, and the carrots. Then slice and chop the pork meat. I use the pork shoulder in this recipe. I learned that it's better to chop the meat than mince because the fat content of the pork loses during grinding and that makes it juicy. Then soak the pork meat in water for 10 to 15 minutes to wash all the blood from the meat. Then drain thoroughly after soaking. Make sure to keep it dry, all the ingredients, to prevent from sagging during steaming. Chop the clean and dried shrimp. Mix all the marinated ingredients. Start with the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, the pepper and salt, the brown sugar, the egg, the Filipino chicken cube or chicken powder, and breadcrumbs, and the garlic powder, and mix. After mixing all the marinated ingredients, then add the chopped pork shoulder. Gently mix the pork meat and the marinated ingredients and marinate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add all the vegetables and the shrimp and gently mix. And then add the sesame oil. Better to use your hands to mix thoroughly, but mix gently. Then marinate again for at least an hour or better overnight. The wrapper in a square shape, so I need to cut the sides to form like an oval shape wrapper. Cover the wrapper with a damp towel to prevent from drying. Spray with the spray oil or wipe with oil the steamer to prevent from sticking during steaming. Get a piece of the wrapper, then fill it with the prepared ingredients. Then firmly press to close. You may use a butter knife or a back of the handle of your spoon to peel, then top with the chopped carrots. Do this with all the mixtures. Get the steamer, put the water, and bring to boil. When the water is boiling, put the bamboo steamer or any steamer with the wrapped siomai and set the fire in a medium heat and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's done. This siomai tastes great. Tati Don, let's eat!
Okay, coming.